final product. Making shrimp. Making garlic butter shrimp with onions and garlic and butter.
If not, then you...
There's a shrimp. How much butter is that? Two sticks of butter. There's not a lot of shrimp. Base seasoning. We have that Old Bay. So add Old Bay seasoning. How much? Like 2 tablespoons?
Yeah, like maybe 1 to 2.
1 to 2. Chili.
Red pepper.
Red pepper. Some red pepper for some spice. Old Bay seasoning. About 2 cloves of garlic and some onion. And a lot of butter. 2 sticks of butter. Powdered pepper. Black pepper.
Cooking abilities the whole thing.
There you go. Some more
I was
Old Bay.
cooking, but only during my birthday and Christmas I did. The Sprite.
Oh, you're adding a little bit of water?
This is Sprite.
Oh, Sprite. There's Sprite in there?
Yeah, this
Okay.
one has a Sprite.
How many Sprite do you put in there?
Just enough to cover the
To cover? Okay.
shrimp.
So we have Chef Izay here tonight. It's just simmering on low heat. How many?
This one.
Oh, one. One shrimp cube for flavor. Shrimp cube. Time to add the shrimps. The shrimps have been cleaned, deveined, and the head removed.
Just the whiskers.
Oh, the whiskers. Some mince. Half of it. They cook quick. They're turning orange already.
That's an overcooked.
Oh, okay.
Then I just boil it.
Just boil it for a little bit so it doesn't overcook. And then remove. So it was only in there for a few minutes.
Yeah. We're gonna return it after when you have the sauces.
Now the second half is going in. Wait. So just until it looks cooked, right?
Yeah.
Reduce the heat. Boiling. So the sauce is getting reduced. The sauce will reduce. It's turning red.
Yeah, if you want to go to Izay?
I think my percent.
We're reducing the sauce. We added a little salt in there. Now it's turning like orange. Okay, putting it back, the sauce looks like it's been reduced and it's going to be put back for final stirring. It's thicker right now, the sauce. It's thicker. Now this will be very tasty. Adding lime or lemon. Oh, really? Just half or
I'm gonna put the
oh, the whole lemon? Oh, one whole lemon. This took about 30 to 40 minutes.
like 20
Or 20, okay. But then add prep time on cleaning the shrimps. Oh, it's already cooked. Okay, it's done. It's delicious.